Hello, let us solve this Olympiad mathematics together, which says find the real numbers x for which root x cubed minus 8 over x is greater than x minus 2. The first thing we need to do is to square these two expressions such that we eliminate these square roots. So we have root x raised to the power 3 minus 8 over x. We square it is said to be greater than x minus 2. So this square cancel this square root. Now x raised to the power 3 minus 8 over x said to be greater than x minus 2, x minus 2. So therefore x raised to the power 3 minus 8 raised to the power x is greater. Let us open this bracket such that this becomes x squared minus 2x, and this becomes minus 2x plus 4. So x raised to the power 3 minus 8 over x is greater than x squared minus 4x plus 4. So let us use x to multiply these two expressions such that we have a linear function to deal with. This now becomes x raised to the power 3 minus 8 is greater than x into brackets x squared minus 4x plus 4. If we open this bracket, this becomes x raised to the power 3 minus 8 is greater than x raised to the power 3 minus 4x squared plus 4x. Now, let us bring this expression together such that x raised to the power 3 minus 8, we now have minus x raised to the power 3 plus 4x squared and then minus 4x is said to be greater than 0. So everything on the right hand side I've moved in to the left hand side. So x raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 3. So they will cancel out. So let us write this. So we have 4x squared minus 4x minus 8 is greater than 0. Let us divide this. 4 is a common factor. Let us divide this expression by 4. So we divide this entire expression by 4. We have x squared minus x minus 2 is greater than 0. Now, let us now factorize this so that we can solve for x. Let us look for, let me write here, the factor of minus 2x squared. I multiply x squared and the constant, and we are looking for the factor. What are those two factors that we can multiply together will give us this? When we add it together, will give us this. Let's look for minus 2x plus x. Minus 2x plus x will give us minus x. When we multiply it, give us this. Let us substitute. Therefore, x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2 is greater than 0. So let us bring them together. X squared minus 2x and x minus 2 is greater than 0. Let us factor out. We have x into x minus 2. We can only factor out 1 from here. That is x minus 2 is greater than 0. Therefore, x plus 1 and x minus 2 is greater than. So we can write this now to be x plus 1 is greater than 0, or x minus 2 is greater than 0. Therefore, x is greater than minus 1. Sorry, x should be less than. Therefore, x is less than minus 1 and x is greater than 2. Now, our solution will now become minus 1 x and 2. So this is the range of real numbers for which this expression is true. So these are the range for which this expression is true. So thank you very much. See you next time. For any question or whatsoever, please remember to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, thank you very much. Subscribe to this channel and please be good. Thank you.